maybe like a little bit of highlighter. I'm gonna do a little bit of highlighter. All right, y'all, let's get started. This is gonna be a fun get ready with me because I'm taking some photos today. And I think I'm gonna play in the Makeup Revolution London palette. So first things first, let's moisturize and prime my face. And we're gonna start with the eyes first today. Do y'all see this? My skin is turning against me. Let's do brows and eyes today. First? Yes, you do. Okay. So we're gonna also use the ColourPop no filter concealer. I'm gonna use this as to prime my eyes. I don't really feel like using my eyeshadow primer. So if you don't have primer, you can always use concealer as a primer. So pro tip, in case you didn't know. And then I'm gonna take my concealer brush. I'm just gonna pack it in. All right, so we're gonna use this one. I think I want something pinkish. Well, I did pink in my last one. I think I'm gonna do orange and brown. All right, so we're gonna use the color Fortuity. Sundown. I'm just gonna pack it right in there. Just like that. Okay, same thing on this side. All right, I like it. Okay, so for foundation, we're gonna use my e.l.f. Cosmetics. I am again in the shade Mocha. Yeah, Mocha. And take my Mented Cosmetics and I'm gonna do a little bronzing. Not a lot, nothing crazy. Just something to like warm up my face again. And for blush, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is Always Cheeky. I think I'm not really in the highlighting mood. Okay, y'all know I'm using lashes today, duh. I am going to use, I was gonna use I got these new Ardell ones, but I'm actually gonna wait on these. And instead, we're gonna use the Eylure London Living Lash. I'll try these today. Okay, so what do you guys think? Quick little, this girl gotta go. I don't know who invited her. She's got to get off my face. I did not ask for her to come. Anywho, thank you for getting ready with me for today's little fun excursion. I'm gonna add a little more blush. I kind of want highlighter, but maybe like a little bit of highlighter. I'm gonna do a little bit of highlighter. Nothing, I don't want a lot, but just like a little bit, you know, like a little shimmer. And let me fix my brows. Okay, officially done. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do for lips. I know I've been in like a really nude-ish look recently. Maybe I don't. Maybe I should just do clear. You know, a little lip gloss. Let me get my lip gloss, cause. All right, so lip gloss. This is from the beauty supply store. I apologize, I'm still watching a different world, so that's what y'all hear in the background. Anywho, this is my look for today's day of photos. Hope you guys like it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the video. And make sure you stay tuned for the day ahead. I think I'm gonna vlog a little bit of it. As always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you can always see new videos that I post. I'm trying to up the ante this year, so right now we're doing like 2 a week. We'll see if we do more. And Okay, these lashes are, I'm trying to get used to them. But again, guys, until next time, make sure you are I'm rambling. Okay, I'm wrapping up this video. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and that way you let me know what you think of this look. What you like? Is it like cute? I thought it was fun and simple and easy to do. And as always, until next time, be well, do well, and be safe.